Hello everyone, this is my review of the RYOBI Cordless LED Flash Light. This is a pretty good light, lightweight. You can swivel the light in any direction you want, so you can stand it and have it facing the direction that you need it and don't have to be holding it. Let's go ahead and turn it on. First, and turn the lights out so you can see how bright the light is. And there you go. You can see I'm here in the garage in the dark and it's pretty bright, so you can use this for hours if you need it that long. And I hope this review helps.
Thank you.